नेक्स्ट टाइम जब हम प्लेइंग करेंगे जुबैदा.
Listen, coming back
बैदा,
to...
you can do बैदा. नहीं वो लगता दिल तेरे बिना.
ऐसा कौन सा एक्टर है जिसको आप सेव करना चाहेंगे जब आप एक ऐसी एक्शन फिल्म कर रहे होंगे?
खुद को. Self defense. Once I called him Salman sir and he was like, ma'am.
Hi, मेरा नाम प्रेरणा है. I'm from Mirchi Plus and I have Pooja Hegde with me and I'm very happy that किसी का भाई किसी की जान finally is coming on this Friday.
Yay!
Pooja, before we start with anything, let's just ask you, जो हार्ट है पोस्टर पे और आप देख नहीं सकते हो ना, जो हार्ट है उसके अंदर क्या क्या है?
I think there are like spheres and weapons.
Very good. सही जवाब. Pooja knows her film well. Listen, किसी का भाई किसी की जान and it's an ensemble. There's like a huge cast happening. हमने देखा कितना ड्रामा है ना ट्रेलर में. Must have been quite an experience. If just without telling the premise, if you could just tell हमारे listeners को भाई premise क्या है, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, what exactly are we looking forward to on the 21st?
It's a very vast question, but I would like to say that this film has everything. It has action, it has entertainment, it has comedy, it has beautiful locations, it has me. It has Salman sir in it. Please do go watch it with your family because I think there's a little bit for everybody.
Yeah. सलमान खान के हाथ पे वो जो ब्रेसलेट है वो 400 सालों से है. जैसे कि आपका जो वाज है जो टूट जाता है, right? It's since then and he's very superstitious about like lots of things like that. क्या आप superstitious हो अपने releases को लेके, अपने promotions को लेके? जब आपका पहला दिन होता है shot, मतलब जब दे रहे होते हो, it's there anything कि मैं right पैर से ही vanity के बाहर निकलूंगी?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं.
No.
Nothing at all?
No, I mean, I do like, say a little bit of a prayer and then start, if it's my first day on set for a new film, of course, then I just, do a little bit of prayer and that's about it and then I start.
जस्सी के साथ कल बातें हो रही थी और जस्सी बता रहे थे कि वो काफ़ी अपसेट थे कि उनसे भांगड़ा करवाया लेकिन साउथ इंडियन स्टाइल में भांगड़ा करवाया. सो कई सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो यहाँ पे साउथ इंडिया की रिप्रेजेंटेशन है. कितना सच है एंड कितना यू हैड टू लाइक पुल योरसेल्फ बैक, सो ओके इट्स फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट?
नहीं, I don't think it was something. I mean, the story had the South element in it because my character is a Telugu girl and she comes to Delhi to work. So that is there. But of course, I think Jasdeep Paji killed it in the song, in Billy Billy. So I don't know what he's talking about. He was very good.
Yeah. Did you check आपका weight शूट शुरू होने से पहले और शुरू होने के बाद? Because हमने सबने सुना है कि सलमान खान बहुत खिलाते हैं सबको. It is a feast.
Yeah,
so did
it
you
is.
Put on weight and or you had to like maintain what?
Did I put on weight? I don't think so because I work out a lot. मैं कभी भी diet follow नहीं करती हूँ. I think that you should just maintain what you can do for the rest of your life. So that's why I work out extra.
Yeah.
So that I can eat whatever I want.
Yeah. बहुत मुश्किल था आपको भाईजान. मैं खुद I was feeling that discomfort. जैसे भाई बुलाऊं, भाईजान बुलाऊं. Must have been, I don't know, like it's, what was your name for Salman Khan? Is it Bhaijan only or how do you call him set pe?
I don't really like,
have a specific, hey dude, or
I don't like really call out to him. But I call him SK sometimes,
Yeah.
SK whenever I have to say, because I remember once I called him Salman sir and he was like, ma'am. So after that, I just call him SK. It sounds cool also.
Yeah.
And SKF is his production house.
Yeah. Before a release of a film, and this film is really like big, है ना? Sleepless nights or like you're meditating through it?
I'm excited more than anything because the people liked the trailer. So after the trailer launch and the trailer was out, people messaged me saying that they really liked me in the trailer and they're very excited and they thought it was funny and whatever little bit scenes that I have with him in the trailer. So I got more excited after it.
सबसे ज़्यादा tough दिन कौन सा था on the sets, acting wise, performance wise?
I think sometimes to do comedy can be really tough, but you don't look at it कि आज comedy करना है. But it's just that you hope that the beats you're playing work. and when people tell me that कि वो जो भाई वाला है बहुत अच्छा लगा, the way we've done that and the whole 400 साल पुराना, when people laugh you feel like a sense of relief that it's worked. क्योंकि लोगों को हंसाना तो बहुत मुश्किल काम है, and if you can do that successfully you always feel good about yourself.
और कोई ऐसा दिन था which is going to go down in the history of great days of my existence?
So many.
So many. Just
I
like,
think every
yeah.
time a good day happens, I feel really good about it. I think even Ladakh में shoot करना was not easy because हम वहाँ का oxygen level बहुत कम है and हमारे लिए मुश्किल पड़ता है कभी कभी, पर it was good, it was great
Yeah.
overall.
Out of all the songs, सबसे tough भी लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा satisfying भी कौन सा वाला गाना था आपके लिए?
Believe it or not, सबसे tough मुझे नहीं लगा क्योंकि because of the situation that we were shooting in, we had only one day to acclimatize and go. And if you see me, बहुत सारी wide shots है गाने में where I'm on a mountain or a little hilltop and I had to actually go and climb up the hilltop. And over there, अगर आप 10 steps लो तो then you start to pant a little bit, you have to recover and then move. So every wide shot you're seeing, there's a story behind it, and it has been the most satisfying because people have loved that song the most.
I feel like I'm going to make like a version of the song. नहीं लगता नहीं हो चलता, can't walk anymore because the terrain only looks काफी challenging.
But it's so beautiful,
Yeah.
Ladakh. It is stunning to watch, to look, to be in. That it was wow.
Yeah. The other question that I have for you is Salman Khan के sets पर improvisation, workshops, what exactly is the process? या फिर काफी spontaneous होता है, मतलब जैसे
बहुत spontaneous. I think you just have to go with the flow. You have to improvise a lot. You have to learn to be the actor that thinks on their feet, and it's great because it was a new working style environment for me.
Salman Khan की film again, there are lots of action sequences. Do you see yourself doing ऐसा एक film which is going to be very thorough on action and you're flying, you're Lara Crofting it through it all? Do you see yourself doing something like that? Do you really want? Yeah.
Why not? I think it can be really exciting as an actor to do films like that.
Yeah. And normally it happens that you're saving the damsel in distress. ऐसा कौन सा actor है जिसको आप save करना चाहेंगे जब आप एक ऐसी action film कर रहे होंगे?
खुद को. Self defense.
Self savior. Okay. This is just genuinely me being curious. किसी का भाई किसी की जान is going to become very popular with dumb charades. Okay, I feel it's going to be one of those films which is going to be easy also but tough also. Yeah. Are you a dumb charades person? Do you really?
I love playing dumb charades.
Yeah, are you a good guesser or a good giver of films?
Both.
And is there a film that you would like to some film that you've always found difficulty playing, like that Albert Pinto को गुस्सा क्यों आता है या फिर अंधेरी?
But now these are the questions now that everybody knows. These are the film names that everybody knows. So if you do even gussa, they'll be like, "Arey, Albert Pinto को गुस्सा क्या?" You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I think that these difficult ones everyone knows now. But I think किसी का भाई किसी का जान is very easy to do.
Yeah, Zubeda I find really difficult.
Zubeda.
Personally.
That's a good one. लिखो.
अगली बार के
Next time जब हम play करेंगे Zubeda.
Listen, coming back
Baida, you can do Baida.
Are you doing zoo? Like Jew? Okay. Pooja, you really have had a lot under your wings and you do it with finesse and grace and very chill sort of attitude. I genuinely would like to know personally, एक ऐसी दुनिया जहाँ पे सब offense लेते हैं, tough है, it's difficult to sort of be in this industry and sort of take it in your stride. What is your message to upcoming artists, to influencers, to artists like a radio jockey? How should we sort of maintain the calm and not get angry at the drop of a hat?
I mean, for me, I think that it's always good to just concentrate on what next. What am I doing currently and what next? And just keep your head down and keep working because there's no substitute for that. You just have to put your heart and soul in everything and somewhere it just comes back to you manifold. So concentrate on the positive and let the negative go aside.
Beautiful. Any messages for the people who are going to watch the film and go mad on the 21st? And there are going to be people who शायद FOMO feel कर रहे होंगे कि मैं गेटी में क्यों नहीं गया सुबह के 9 बजे के शो में.
Please, the message is that when I show up on screen, please whistle for me also, because people will be whistling for Bhai on screen. Whistle for me also. That's about it. But I think it's a film that everyone's really going to enjoy, because it has, like I said, a little bit for everybody.
Before you leave, this is again personal, this thing. Can you sing a song from your film? Any song. I genuinely feel, I think you've got a very sweet voice, and I think your fans are probably looking forward to you also singing a song just like Bhaijan.
Okay, should I sing Nahiyo Lagda, because that's the one that's the most melodious to sing, and probably I can sing. I know the lyrics. Nahiyo lagda dil tere bina, धीरे धीरे चुपके से चोरी चोरी हौले इंतज़ार मुझे तेरा, हो धीरे धीरे चुपके से चोरी चोरी हौले इंतज़ार मुझे तेरा.
Yay!
This is Pooja Hegde and you're listening to me and watching me on Mirchi Plus.
Yay!
Yay! Done. Thank you.